Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can design the reverse forward control with interlock in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. I will open my Logosoft Comfort software, and here first of all we will take one input, okay, and give the comment reverse REW. When you type, for example, REW, reverse motor, or reverse input also you can put any, you can put reverse input or reverse push button can be say any reverse pu. This is push, this is your reverse push, okay. And one more we will be take, that's I name, and we can give the name forward push, FWD, forward such push, okay. And these two buttons you have to be start your motor, an example reverse and forward. When you press your I1, your motor will be run in the reverse condition, and when you press this one forward push button, your motor will be run in the forward condition. But what's the logic? We have to be designed with interlock, yani means when this sometimes maybe operator push this both two buttons after no needs any dangerous or something, yani no need to be operate, means both will be operate same time. Only single push button have to be work and single command have to be run, reverse or forward. So what we will do in the FBD language, we have to be choose the AND logic, because of in the ladder language we can use the close contacts, and after we can design the control. But in the FBD language you have to be use the AND logic. After we will take the our output. This is for my motor 1, this is my reverse relay, and this is my forward relay. So this all contacts we chose, and now we will make the diagram. So I will make little big, after you will be better understand. Arrange properly, and also you can give the comment here. This is your reverse motor, a reverse relay can be right, after you understand reverse relay, and this is your forward relay. This is your forward relay, okay. And now we will make the wiring. You have to be take the signal and just connect with the first one of the AND logic, and simple you can connect your output of the AND logic to the Q1 relay, and second input you have to be connect the first input of the AND logic, okay. And this is the connect to the output to the relay, right. This is very simple and easy method. But just now you have to make the interlock. This is simple circuit is now ready. When you press this one I1, and your Q1 will be on, and you when press I2, your Q2 will be on. Now we have to be make the interlock. How we can make the interlock? Because of one press, after one motor needs to be run, one relay, both not be, maybe sometime if two same time two buttons anybody press, after not two maybe same time on, because of when same time will be on, after contactors will be damaged, you have to make the interlock must. So how can make the interlock? Just you have to be invert this connector, because of in FBD language you can't get the close contact, you have to be just logic can be invert. This is your signal, you can be invert. Here also you can invert, and here you also you can invert. So when you make this inversion, this is now look like a close contact. Okay, and this line you have to be, this logic you have to be connect with the I1, because of when this will be press, after no need to be, maybe this one be pressing, but voltage will be not go even here. Okay, and this one I2, you have to be connect this one with the I2. Okay, now you can check by the simulation. If you don't have a physical hardware, no problem, you can test by the simulation. If you have a physical hardware, you can test by online mode. So just I now click the I1, you can see our output is now on. But as same you can see also power is ready at the B2, because of when we press this one, we have to be use the close contact of this one. Here not go voltage. But if sometimes somebody press this both, you can see this both will be closed, any will be not run, but our system will be safe. Your I2 pressed, but Q2 is not on. When it will be on, even this one not close. Sorry, this close. When close this one, after you can see your output will be on. So same as this logic, also we will download to the PLC, go to the tools and transfer and PC to logo, and after wait for some seconds, after it will be transferred. And I will show you also here parameters. Already in previous videos I explained how you can make this one. Click on test, after your communication will be shows here OK, and after you click OK, your program will be downloaded into the PLC. You can see your program is now successfully downloaded into the PLC. Now we will go into the online mode. This icon is for the online mode. This is also took little time. Click it OK, and when these lines will be got blue, after think this your system online is ready. Here you can see your status is also ready. This is your push buttons, this is your output signals. And also I will show you in the camera my physical hardware. You can see here, this is my physical hardware. Here we will top in the corner we will be make, and you can see I connect these two LEDs with my PLC, and these two push buttons I designed there, I1 and I2. This is my I1 and this is my I2, and same as this is Q1 and this is Q2. So we will be press this one Q1 I1, sorry, and after you can see our output is on, and inside the PC you can status also see this is our Q1 is on. And when I press this one I2, you can see our output is now on Q2. But when we sometime operator push both buttons, for example this is also he pressed and this is also he pressed, you can see both will be closed but not on, which I released, that will be work. See, and also if you need more protection, for example this also you say this is Q1 and Q2 also I need protector. This is one interlock with the push buttons, this interlock is in the push buttons. And if you like to make this interlock in the relays also we can make. How we can make? Stop the simulation and just this third one also make the invert, and also this third one you can make the invert, means close contact. You can use the close contact of the Q1 with the Q2. Just connect this line and connect with this one, third number of the AND logic, and simply this line you can connect with the third number of the logic of the B1. Okay, it's very simple and very easy, and slowly I will share with you small projects after you will be complete understand about the examples how we can design the FBD language in program in the FBD language. Okay, now is our double protection. Our output relays also have interlock, and also push buttons also have a interlock. And again this program download to the PLC from the disk icon also you can download, and from the tools also you can download. Click it OK. Program will be downloaded. Click OK, and as it will be successed, after you can press this icon to online test mode. When your online test mode will be ready, after you can check your hardware again. I will little make it here. Oh, sorry. I will press this one, I1. You can see our Q1 is now on. And when I press this one, I2, our Q2 is on. And if we both press, for example, our both when press, any relay of the Q1 or Q2 will be not on. This is our protection look like. Okay. So hope guys you will be understand about this reverse forward logic control with the protection with the interlock. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.